Hello guys, my name is Yunarad from BackLinker, and today we will be talking about ClickFunnels. Yeah, just before we start the video, if you like videos about um, marketing, business and entrepreneurship, definitely be sure to subscribe to our channel and check on the notification bell. Now, yeah, let's get started. So, what are ClickFunnels? Maybe you remember from the last video that we made about the book .com secrets when I reviewed this book called .com secrets by Russell Brunson, he talked there a lot about funnels. Yeah, and he also started ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is a software to build funnels, but to understand that, we actually first need to know what is a funnel. Okay, so let me show it like this. Let's say, for example, this is a normal website, this is an e-com website, and this is a funnel. Okay, so on this normal website you have like these links all over here, and then they have these drop down menus, and you get to the website, and then there is like full of the content, and somewhere there is like this button to buy your product. But normal websites are just very confusing, and you kind of really have to look through the whole website to find your the product. So and when it is confusing and you have to look for it, the customer won't usually buy, so this is not a good idea. Then we have this e-commerce site, where you go on, and they have all these products in here. Like the whole website is stuffed with products, and you just go there, and it all seems confusing, and you open it, and then there's like this 100 products. For example, you're looking for this, all, let's say, our survival website, and you're looking to find a survival knife. Well, here you probably don't even find where to buy it, and here there's like so many products that you will not find this survival kit or survival knife that you want, and because it's just lost all the way in here, so you're confused and you left the website. Yeah, and then we have funnel, which is structured to have just one thing at a time on a website. Yeah, so you have here like a squeeze page where you put in your email address and click the button, get something for free. You see this, and then you go on this like page with, for example, video sales letter, which will let you go on the order page, where you just fill out your banking information, click in here, and here are the one-click upsells, which means that they already have your credit card information. But for example, you buy the survival kit, and then there is like this one-time offer for a tent, so you can buy also that. And then there is, for example, the thank you page, and why this is so good and so powerful is because um, it just has one action per page, and it will just navigate you to another page and another, and it will just like go through you through the whole process with you. And for the entrepreneur side, like, it's so powerful, like it can literally 10x your business. I'm not kidding, it happened 100 times before. So yeah, and these upsells, they are really good because they will let the people give you more money quicker and easier, and also will give them the thing that they want. So now, why these funnels are now that we established what a funnel needs, then we need to say like what this ClickFunnels is useful for. Yeah. So when you want to build a funnel on your own, you need like a programmer, a designer, and all these analytics people, and a copywriter, and all these people, which can cost you like tens of thousands of dollars to just build the funnel and see if just before you can even test it out. Yep, so this is like the main issue of funnels. Now, where ClickFunnels comes in, it completely revolutionized it, because you can build this funnel like literally like in WordPress, like drag and drop. It is that easy. No, ClickFunnels are like the WordPress of a funnels. It is one of the powerful things that they have, but they also have email autoresponder, which can actually help you communicate with your customers, which I think everybody knows what it is good for. And it can really automatize that. And I don't know how much they cost, but on their side they say that you will save up to $1,000 per month when you start using them, because it will just cross so many of your expenses. And maybe it seems to you like I'm biased, but I just really believe in this ClickFunnels model, and I just started with it, and I absolutely love it. But because yeah, they have like so much value in them, really. And also Russell Brunson, who started them, gives out really helpful information for free that can help you with this funnel building. And the good thing is that he done this almost for more than a decade, this internet marketing with funnels. So he really knows what he is doing, and that's, I think, like one of the most craziest things. Like, he gives out all this information. Yeah, again, you might think that I'm a seller, but I'm like really excited for this ClickFunnels thing. Yeah. I think that we can end the video now here, just to kind of have this end this video, and I actually will put in the description a free trial for ClickFunnels that you can get like for 2 weeks to just try it out. Okay, and for now, if you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe and share it, and comment what type of funnel you're excited to build, and if you enrolled in ClickFunnels. Okay, so this is everything for today. Bye.